Sa British Columbia, nakatakdang pagdebatehan ang planong Filipino Cultural Center sa Main Street sa Vancouver. Pero bago ito, nakatali raw sa profitability at sustainability ang magiging taas nito. May report si Teresa Barrera.
What it does is it's actually, for our purposes, it helps us build a taller building. That's really the end result here.
Ganito inilarawan ni Toby Reyes, developer ng Port Living sa Vancouver, ang layunin ng mosyon na ilalabas ni Vancouver Mayor Ken Sim ngayon Nobyembre para sa pagtatayo ng isang Filipino Cultural Center and Hotel project sa 1940 Main Street. Ang kumpanyang Port Living, kompormadong nagbigay na ng preliminary proposal sa syudad.
What we're doing on the investment development side is committing a percentage of the profits and earnings of this hotel to the center to create a perpetual endowment so that it can be self-sustainable.
I think from the perspective of the developer, the offer is, hey, we're going to do this community amenity for the Filipino community in exchange for getting some more floors of developable area and being able to swap out of the view cone.
Nasa loob ng isang view cone ang lokasyon ng proyekto. Ibig sabihin, kailangan maaprubahan pa ng syudad ang taas ng gusali bago may tayo ang proposed 30 floors nito nang maprotektahan ang pinagpangalagaan mountain views ng Vancouver.
But I think it's reasonable, it is that a developer would not ask for a relaxation unless it essentially increased the profitability of the development, which then sort of increases the value of the land.
Ayon sa isang associate professor mula University of British Columbia na nagtuturo ng mga kurso sa real estate development, mataas ang demand para sa mga hotel sa Vancouver ngayon.
We haven't really built a lot of hotels for quite some time, so even though tourism was rising, the number of rooms wasn't increasing dramatically. It was a lot more profitable to build condos than to build hotels, so that's sort of part of it.
Inaasahang ilalabas ng City of Vancouver ang mosyon sa November 19 at pagdedebatehan ito sa November 26.
If you tend to think about where the Filipino community is located, it tends to be more south of Kingsway, let's say between Fraser and Victoria, broadly speaking, and extending down to maybe 49th. So it's in that area. So this is quite a distance from where the community is really located.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.